Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9722X. Only 7,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, Billet Silver Metallic in color. Chrysler Group certification gives you the balance of 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power lift gate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Push button start. Large read gauges. Again, only 7,000 miles. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. And Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 4-wheel drive includes 4 low. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and additional storage space under the front passenger seat. Overhead, auto mirror, power moonroof, power sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. And again, only 7,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.